In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send email campaigns Klaviyo Shopify. Once you are logged into your Klaviyo account, start by looking at the left-hand navigation menu. Find and click Campaigns. This is the area where you create one-time email sends like announcements, promotions, or product updates. Next, go to the top right corner and click Create Campaign. You will be asked to choose the type of campaign. Select Email since we are sending an email campaign. Then name your campaign. Use a name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you run a lot of promotions. For example, include the theme and the date or season. After you name it, click Continue. Now you will choose who receives the message. Select your recipient list or a segment. A list is usually a broader group, like your general newsletter subscribers. A segment is more targeted, like customers who purchased recently or shoppers who engage with a specific product category. Choose the option that fits your goal, then click Next. On the next screen, enter your subject line and preview text. The subject line is what people see first in their inbox, and the preview text supports it with a little extra context. Keep both clear and aligned with what your email actually contains, so recipients know what to expect. After that, pick a template and open it in drag and drop mode. This is where you build your email visually. Edit the design to match your brand, update the copy, and confirm your links and buttons go to the right places. As you work, keep the layout clean and easy to scan, especially for mobile readers. When you are happy with the design, click Next. You will then see a review step. Take a moment to double-check the subject line, preview text, and any other key details shown on the page. This is a good time to catch small mistakes like typos or missing information before the email goes out. When everything looks correct, click Next again. Finally, click Schedule or Send. Choose whether you want to schedule the email for a later time or send it immediately. If you schedule, confirm the date and time. If you send now, make sure you are fully ready, because the campaign will start delivering right away. That covers everything you need to know.